cataloging the empty pledges that put us firmly on track towards an unlivable world. We are on a fast track to climate disaster.
Global warming is the most pressing issue the world is facing. Scientific experts from the IPCC have warned us that we are running out of time to prevent irreversible damage to the planet. Europe endured record extreme weather in 2021. From the hottest day and the warmest summer to deadly wildfires and flooding, our climate is changing in a dangerous way. Why?
Human activities have produced huge amounts of greenhouse gases that warm the Earth's atmosphere. The planet's temperature has risen since pre-industrial levels by 1.2 degrees. This graph from Ireland's Central Statistical Office shows the greenhouse gas emissions produced by EU countries in 2019. Ireland was ranked the second worst country in the EU. Why?
This is Bertha the cow. She is one of the 1.4 billion cows in the world, and like all other cows, she belches quite a lot. The gas that comes from cows' belches contains methane. Methane is 28 times as potent as CO2 as a greenhouse gas. Livestock account for 14.5% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Cows are the primary offenders. Each animal releases 200 litres of methane a day on average. And with a cow population of 1.4 billion on the planet, that is a whole lot of methane. Ireland has the highest per capita methane emissions in the EU. Methane emissions are more than double that of the second worst country. This is the reason why we are ranked so poorly for greenhouse gas emissions.
We need to reduce our methane emissions, and now. Do we kill 1.3 million of our cattle to reach our goals for methane reduction? Should we stop eating beef and dairy altogether? These are unlikely scenarios because Ireland exports 90% of its beef and dairy to an ever-growing hungry planet. It is an important part of our economy. So what can we do? Here in Ireland we are working with scientists to come up with solutions. The best idea so far is to include seaweed to a cow's diet, and this reduces methane production. This is a simple way for farmers to do their part in the effort to stop climate change.